In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace and find files within the Steam Workshop. A task that can seem daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening the Steam application on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to do so by clicking on the login button. Once you click it, you'll see a prompt to enter your account name and password. Go ahead and input your details and hit sign in, and there you have it, you're now on the main Steam homepage. From here, the next step is to navigate to the Community tab, which you can find on the upper part of your Steam interface. Clicking on Community opens a drop down where you'll see a section called Workshop. Select that to enter the Workshop area. Now you're in the Workshop section, making good progress. Within the Workshop, you need to locate your files. You do this by finding the section where it says Workshop Files and giving it a click. Following that, you're going to click on Subscribed Items. This particular spot is where all the Workshop files you've subscribed to are neatly listed. You'll see everything you have subscribed to, acting like your personal gateway to the files you've collected over time. Next, we'll venture into the file system on your PC to find these Workshop files nestled on your hard drive. Open your trusty File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or searching for File Explorer in your Start menu. In File Explorer, navigate to this PC and then select your Windows drive, typically labelled as C drive. Once on the C drive, open up Program Files, x86, commonly a default installation path for software like Steam. Scroll through until you see the Steam folder, double click to enter. In here you'll find a subsidiary folder named Steam Apps. Go inside and then proceed to the Workshop folder. Inside the Workshop folder you'll find another folder labelled Content. This Content folder is where all your Workshop files dwell. Now you can explore these folders within the Content folder, browsing through your files and finding what you need. Congratulations! You've successfully traced and found your Steam Workshop files. This small journey inside your computer's directories may seem intricate, but remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the more intuitive it becomes. Thank you for joining me in this video, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips on navigating the digital world. Happy gaming!